PhET Interactive Simulations. Inclusive features. Camera input hands.
Camera Input Hands lets you use your device's camera to interact with key parts of the simulation. Using hand recognition software, your camera recognizes hand gestures and movement as inputs to move simulation objects. If the feature is available, Camera Input Hands must be enabled by adding what is known as a query parameter to the web address of the simulation. Load up the simulation from the simulation page, add on to the end of the web address a question mark, and the case-sensitive query parameter camera input equals hands, and reload the simulation. This feature increases the file size of the simulation and requires an active internet connection during loading. This downloads the files that enable recognition of hand orientation. Use of this feature may show slow performance on less powerful devices. You will need to give the simulation permission to use your camera device for this feature, a process that may differ depending on your preferred web browser. However, no images are recorded or stored when using this feature. Only the first query parameter is prefixed by a question mark. Additional query parameters desired for additional features are prefixed by an ampersand. For example, append the query parameter and show video to the simulation web address for a resizable camera preview for troubleshooting. Modify the range of motion needed from big movements to small movements by moving your body or hands closer or farther from the camera. While the feature requires two hands to be in view of the camera, hands can be from two individuals for cooperative exploration. This feature can recognize specific gestures or hand shapes. For example, in ratio and proportion with voicing enabled, you can silence the current voice statement by bringing your index finger and thumb together, forming an O-like gesture with your fingers. On startup, this feature assumes the camera is facing you. If your camera is placed elsewhere, or you feel the movement of the simulation objects does not match your own, see the additional options in the Input tab of the Preferences menu. See the teacher tips on each simulations page for sim-specific instructions and tips for using Camera Input Hands. Check out our other videos on how to find and use inclusive features that flex and adapt PhET simulations to meet many needs.